Here's how to create a QR code in Canva. So to do this, just open up Canva and click on create a design. Now from here you want to go with custom size and just make it 500 by 500 pixels. Then click create new design. After doing that, you will get to a blank design. Now in order to create a QR code, you just want to click apps in the left right here. Then click search Canva apps and here just search for QR code. And then there are multiple apps. I like the first one right here that's just called QR code. So click on QR code. Now here enter the URL you want to lead it to, for example the design right here. And then now after adding in the link you can click customize, then you can choose the colors for your QR code. For example, if I want it to be a bluish color, then I'll go blue right there. Then you can change the margin if you want. And then after you do that, click generate code. And now you can see you will have a QR code. Now just make it full screen. And just like that, you have created your own QR code. Now you can see if you scan this QR code that you created with your phone, it will then lead you to the link that you added right there so you can test if it actually works. For me it does, and it leads me to this Canva design. So now you know how to create a QR code in Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.